Hey, it's Mr. Berdis. So today we're just going to do a quick little overview of coffee pot cleaning. You've got to clean the pipes and you've got to get those clean. There are a bunch of different pre-made ones that you can purchase at Amazon or supermarkets, but I'm not sure what's in all of them. I still use and have for years just regular household white vinegar and actual tap water. If you want to and you have it around the house, you can use distilled water because that'll take out more of the particles. All I'm going to do is using the guide, and you can use this for single cup serve for any types, is I want to put in 4 cups of vinegar, top it off with water. You want to brew a whole pot. So you're going to take that up to the top. And you're going to press brew just like you do for making your coffee. So if your coffee has a bad taste, or as Carly Simon in the song says, clouds in my coffee, this will take care of that, and it'll also help you scale it. Once you're finished doing this, running it through, I run 2 pots of clean water after I've rinsed everything out, and you're good to go to brew again. So let's wait for it to brew, and we'll have some coffee. So it's nothing new, but vinegar and water, get that bitter taste out of your coffee. Make sure you run 2 pots of clean water through it before you actually brew any coffee. And fresh taste of coffee after your coffee maker's been cleaned. I clean mine about every 3 to 4 months, and the reason I do the vinegar is this gallon bottle is around $13. The average for the cleaner with the other materials in it that I'm not sure what's in it is around $13 to $16, and this has multiple uses, so it's always something you have around the house. Always remember, dream, think, design, build, and learn. I'll see you in the shop.